how to fix not posted yet try again problem on Instagram app. Hello guys, so first thing you have to do is open the settings on your phone, go to the apps manager, open the apps like this and then go to the Instagram. Now right here you will find all the app informations. All what you want to do is click on force stop and then go to the storage, click on this clear data and clear cache, go back. And now you have to open the data usage in the app informations and make sure to enable the mobile data and the Wi-Fi and disable the background data and the roaming data. And last tip you want to do now is go to the Play Store and search for Instagram and then click on this update option. That's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.